Hello everyone, welcome you on investmentguru.com. BSE Sensex spot closed at 84,059, gain of 1,651 points. Nifty 50 spot closed at 25,638, gain of 525 points. Bank Nifty spot closed at 57,637, gain of 1,339 points. Market breadth was positive. BSE finally closed at 37,061 with gain of 903 points. Nifty 500 closed at 23,620 with gain of 579 points. Now let's look at top gainer loser index. Top gainer was Nifty Metal Index, which closed at 9,571 with gain of 4.81%, and top loser was Nifty Realty Index, which closed at 994 with loss of 1.94%. Now let's look at Nifty chart. After a choppy start, the Nifty 50 picked up momentum and hit the intraday high of 25,654. It closed at 25,638, up by 89 points, marking its highest closing level since October 2024. The index formed a bullish candle on a daily chart, backed by above average volumes for the year yet another session. Momentum indicators like RSI and MACD all stayed positive, with the MACD histogram showing a continuous bullish bias. On the weekly chart, Nifty broke out fifth week of sideways momentum, posting a strong gain of 2.09%. This bullish breakout signals the potential for the more upside in the near term. Now let's analyze Nifty derivative data. Nifty 3rd July 2023 weekly option data suggested that highest open interest on CE side was seen at 26,000 strike with the open interest of 1,03,245 lots. Highest open interest on PE side was seen at 25,000 strike with the open interest of 1,18,182 lots. Max open interest change happened on CE side at 25,900 strike with the addition of 43,833 lots. Max open interest change happened on PE side at 25,600 strike with the addition of 66,374 lots. The option data and chart analysis indicate that Nifty continue to look strong with the next key levels to watch around 25,800 to 26,000 in the upcoming weeks. On the downside, immediate support seen at 24,400 levels. Now let's look at Bank Nifty chart. Bank Nifty continue its strong upward momentum, climbing 237 points to close at a new all-time high of 57,444 on a daily chart. It's form a bullish candle with a lower shadow indicating buying interest at the lower levels. What more, the index closed above the upper Bollinger Band and higher than average volume, a sign of strength. Zooming out on the weekly time frame, Bank Nifty posted a solid 2.12% gain and forming a strong bullish candle on a weekly chart, signaling the positive sentiment and hinting at a healthy trend going forward. Let's look at Bank Nifty derivative data. Bank Nifty 31st July 2025 monthly option data suggested that highest open interest on CE side was seen at 56,000 strike with the open interest of 40,763 lots. Highest open interest on PE side was seen at 56,000 strike with the open interest of 56,961 lot. Max open interest change happened on CE side at 59,000 strike with the addition of 3,693 lots. And max open interest change happened on PE side at 57,000 strike with the open interest of 7,330 lots. The option data and chart analysis indicate that Bank Nifty now needs to hold above 57,250 zones to continue its upward journey. If it's managed to sustain these levels, we can see move towards a fresh all-time high near 58,000 and eventually 58,500. On the flip side, the immediate support is placed at 57,250 with the next key level at 57,000. So all eye on the whether the index can maintain its momentum and build on its recent gain.